In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Trello cards. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing task, choose where it goes, and decide what details come along for the ride. First, open your browser and head to Trello.com. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can see your workspaces. On the left side, click Boards. This opens a view of all the boards you have access to. Choose the board that contains the card you want to duplicate. I'll use a sample board for this walkthrough, but you can select any board in your workspace. Once your board is open, locate the card you want to copy. I'll demonstrate with a card called Laundry, but think of this as any task you'd like to reuse. Click the card to open its detailed view. On the right side, look for the Actions menu, represented by 3 dots. Click that, and then choose Copy. This opens Trello's copy card window, where you'll set the name, destination, and what information you'd like to keep. Start with the title. Type in the new name you want for your copied card. A clear, descriptive title will make it easier to spot later. Next, look at the options for what to keep from the original card. Trello typically lets you include things like members, labels, checklists, attachments, and due dates. You can toggle these on or off to match your needs. If you're using the card as a template and want a clean slate, turn most of them off. If you're repeating a task and want consistency, turn on the details that matter, like labels or checklists. Take a moment here to set those exactly how you want them. Now choose where the copy will live. If you're keeping it on the same board, you can pick a list immediately, something like Inbox or any other list you use to collect new work. If you'd prefer to move it to another board, click the board dropdown and select the destination. You might see options like a sample board, your main Trello board, or another board in your workspace. Pick the board that makes sense for the new copy. After selecting the board, open the list dropdown and choose the exact list you want, such as to do or any other stage in your workflow. Next, set the position of the new card within that list. Click the position field and choose where it should land. Selecting position 1 places it right at the top, which is a great choice if you want to see it immediately or prioritize it. If the list is long and you'd rather tuck it lower, choose a later position. Before you create the card, quickly review your choices: the title, the board and list, the position, and any elements you chose to keep. When everything looks good, click Create Card. Trello will make an exact copy based on your selections. You'll usually see a confirmation or the card will appear in the list you specified. When you're done, close the card window by clicking the X in the corner. That brings you back to your board, where you can confirm that the new card is right where you placed it. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you copy cards often, consider making one template card with the ideal labels and checklists, then copy from it whenever you need a consistent setup. Also, if you don't see the board or list you expect in the dropdowns, make sure you have access to that board and that you're looking at the correct workspace. That's it. You opened Trello, navigated to your board, opened a card, used the copy action, set the name, chose the board and list, picked the position, created the card, and closed out. You now have a fast, reliable way to duplicate work and stay organized.